Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out Grilling and Chilling with Al. And so today I'm going to show you how to make homemade French fries out of your russet potatoes. This is a really simple and easy recipe. You'll find that it actually is more satisfying making this version of French fries than buying it in a bag and either deep frying it, throwing it in your oven, or put it on the grill. Today though, we're going to cook inside the Grilling and Chilling house. I'm not going to do it outside, one, because I ran out of propane and I got to go get some. So I'm going to show you how to do this simple and easy recipe, just a few simple steps, and then we'll get started. So check it out. We're going to make this into some homemade French fries. Really not much to it. This is going to be pretty simple. We're going to use some Russet Idaho potatoes. We have some white wine vinegar, some cooking oil, some sea salt, and cornstarch. And that's it. So let's get started with getting these potatoes prepped. As you can see, I cut the ends off the potatoes, cut it elongated into 1/4 inch halves, and then from there, just slice into French fry sticks. All right, the fries are all cut up. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our water going. I put in just about 3 cups of water. We're gonna go ahead and get this started. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the white vinegar to the water, and then we're gonna go ahead and boil these for about 6 minutes and pull them, and then I'll show you what we do next. So let this warm up and then we'll get started. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add the fries. Get these started. I'm gonna let these boil for 6 minutes once I get them all in. And the purpose to boiling the fries is to help break down the starch granulars that are in the French fries. So we'll set our timer for 6 minutes and let them go. We're also gonna add the vinegar. This is gonna also help keep the fries' structural integrity when we're gonna deep fry them. So we'll let these go for 6 minutes, and then we're gonna pull them and put them in ice water and let them cool. And then from there, we're gonna get them prepped for the next step. So see you back in 6 minutes. All right, it's been 6 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the fries out and get them in the cold water, and we're going to let them sit in the cold water for just a few minutes. Slow down the cooking process. And then from here, we'll go ahead and dry them and let them air dry for a little bit. And then I'll show you what we'll do next. Okay. All right, so they've been in the water for a few minutes and we're gonna pull them out. This is the reason why you add the vinegar. It keeps the structural integrity of the fry. So when we do our double fry with the oil, it'll come out better and crispier. So we're gonna get these out. We're just gonna let them air dry for a little bit. We'll pat them down, and then once these are dry, then we're gonna go to the next step, which is using the cornstarch. So let me get these all out and then we'll be right back. It's time to put the fries in the bowl and get the cornstarch started. right, I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Put them in your fridge for at least a minimum of an hour, up to 4 hours, depending on how much time you have. And we'll come back in an hour and check them out, or 4. Come on, bud. Now it's time. Start first deep fry, and we'll just do these in small pieces. Let these go for 1 minute, and then we're gonna pull them. So we're gonna do them in small increments. And then we're gonna let them sit for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna refry them. So I'll start with this first batch, get them done, and then I'll finish this up. So the first fry is complete. I went 1 minute for each batch, and I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes at room temperature, and then we'll go back and refry them again on the second fry, and we'll keep them in there for at least 3 to 4 minutes per batch. But just wanted to show you how they look. After 30 minutes, it was time for the second deep fry. I started again, oil temperature around 350 degrees, put in a small number of French fries, and let them cook for 3 minutes. Make sure you constantly watch because they can burn quickly over time if you're not paying attention. These look fantastic. Now it's time to take a taste test. That's delicious. I hope you try this recipe. Leave a comment down below if you do, and I'll get back to you. And thanks again for watching Grilling and Chilling with Al, and we'll catch you real soon. Take care.